A very good morning, children. Today we are going to take chapter number 7, Safety and First Aid. Children, when accidents happen, when we are careless, we should always take care of ourselves and others. We should be careful and alert to avoid accidents. If we are careless, we may hurt or injure us badly. And it will take long time, children, to heal that wound, that injury, and to be healthy again. Accidents are unpleasant events that happen unexpectedly and cause injury. That is called accident. Most of the injuries and accident, children, happen only when we are careless. So we should follow some safety rules at various places like home, road, in school. So let's take it one by one. To avoid injuries, we should follow some safety rules. Let's take the safety rules which we should follow at home. We should never ever run in the house. Always take the medicine with your adult's permission or the doctor's advice. Do not play with sharp objects like knives, blades, scissors. It may hurt you. Children, never leave your toys on the floor. Somebody may trip from there. You should keep your room neat and clean. Otherwise, you or your parents or your brother, sister can get hurt. Now, next is the safety rules we should follow in the kitchen. Do not try to light the gas stove in the absence of any adult, as you children are very small. So you should avoid using the gas stove. Do not play with fire or near gas stove. You may get burned. Don't touch any hot vessels. In case of a leakage, open the doors and windows to let the gas out. When you are in the bathroom, the floor should always dry. Otherwise, you may slip or any elder can slip. Never leave soap and shampoo on the floor. It should be on their proper place. Be careful while walking on wet bathroom floor. Now, children, there are some safety rules which we should follow when we are in school. It is very important to follow some safety rules, very simple safety rules. Do not push each other on stairs. Do not climb on the benches in the classroom. Otherwise, you can be hurt or your friends can be hurt. Always stand in a queue and wait for your turn to get in and out of a bus. Do not play with sharp objects like pencils or pens. Do not push each other while playing on swings. Do not throw any object on anyone. You may hurt someone, your friends. You should never run up and down the staircase. There are some safety rules that we should follow when we are playing or we are in the swimming pool, right? The most important that the rules of the playground and the swimming pool should be followed seriously. Do not fight while playing. Follow the rules of the games. Do not play rough games at the playground or at the pool. Always swim in the presence of any adult. So children, now there are some safety rules which we should follow when we are walking on the road or we are on the road. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Try always to walk on the footpath. Cross the road through a subway or a footbridge. Do not run on the road. Do not try to get in and out of a moving vehicle. Never put your head out of a moving bus. You might hurt yourself. Always wear seat belts while traveling in a car. Follow all kind of traffic rules. So children, these are the some safety rules which we should follow at different places. Thank you so much. Be safe, be careful, and try always, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Have a good day.